Hi, this is Yusuf from teampicolor.com. Our last video tutorial we learned about PHP file handling. In this video, we are going to start learning about PHP security. We are going to talk about PHP validation, how to validate our input field. When processing PHP forms, you need to think about security. Proper validation of form data is important to protect your form from hackers and spammers. There's one of security vulnerability called the cross-site scripting. The cross-site scripting is a type of computer security vulnerability typically found in web application. Cross-site scripting enables hackers to inject client-side script into web pages viewed by other users. Let's try to look at how to start validating our forms. We'll be using some function. We'll be using the HTML special class function. We're going to look at the trim function, and we're going to look at the strip/s function. In our last example, in our input this field, we try to send a PHP script, and when you send it, for instance, let's create a simple loop. Let's create a simple loop. So x is equals to 0, x less than total, x plus plus. Let's echo x. Let's create a space. Let's try to run it. Let's read. You see? So let's try to validate our form so that when we submit it, the loop will not be executed, for instance. Okay. This variable message, that's the input field. This text area. Okay. This text area. Okay. Let's try to validate it. Let's use the HTML special class. Okay. The HTML special class function converts special characters to HTML entities. Okay. Let's pass the message, this variable message. Okay. Let's try to run it. Let's submit our script again. Let's close it. Let's run it. You see, the loop was not executed. Only what was sent was passed to the page. Okay, and we have the trim function. The trim function strip unnecessary characters, for instance, extra space, tab or new line from the user input. Okay, and lastly, we are going to look at the strip/s. Okay, the strip/s remove backslashes from the user input. Okay, let's save it. Let's go back to our browser and refresh. Let's run it again and review it. See that this input field has been validated. And please, a little advice here before I end this video. If it's going to take you a day to validate a single input field, please take your time to do it. You should not be in a rush when you're talking about form validation. Please take your time, and you can create a function that it will for instance, you can create a function. Let's say validate input, then you pass this function, this HTML special char and the string and the strip/s. I'm explaining it in the PDF file that I will send it to you. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to share with friends. To meet again, and thank you for watching. And one thing, in our next video tutorial, we are going to start working with database. To meet again. Thank you all for watching.